payer collector? Or is it collector payer?
It's
or is
collector
it payer?
payer.
Is
Collector payer, yeah.
Nah, it's payer collector, mate.
No,
Payer
fuck
collector.
off, you. Oh, right. Starting now. Fuck's sake. Right, boys. We are back today on Money Train 4. Last time you saw the last video, it paid pretty well for us on the collector payer. Today we are just going to be doing some normal bonus buys, see how many persistence roll in from that. I'm going to kick it straight off. Right. Persistent? No? Okay, 4 to start. Four X and 3 1s. Payer 1x course. Okay. Upgrader. I ideally want to drop in another premium if I ever hit that. I doubt it, but save it. Arms dealer and a payer. Well, that's just an arms dealer. There's a 10x payer and another payer. Gonna pump. Sniper. I want to snipe the 11x payer. This one. Yeah, okay, keep going, keep going. Hit again. Any more? Open this up. Open this up. Come on. Open this reel. Motherfucker. Not bad for the first buy. Almost break even. Okay, we've got 10x on the board. What is this? What is that?
Unlocker, come on.
God, I need an unlocker right now. Imagine. Unlocker! We'll start filling the reels up. Okay, okay, 2 more at the top. What is that? What the fuck is that? Of course. What is that?
Rude, mate.
What are those 2 top reels?
Rude.
Oh, talk about blue balling. Right, let's go. No persistent. That would have been nice. Oh, on that shit. Save it. Oh, crack open the top reel. Okay. All 1x's. More 1x's. Go on, give me something to work with here. Premium?
Do something.
It needs to. That's dead. Unless it's that. Oh, yeah, okay. Sniper, resistant sniper. Okay. Keep saving. We've got something decent to work with here. There's too many ones on the board. It's the only problem. I needed to save. I need to keep saving. Save. Of course not, mate. Just hit the 12 loads of times.
Wow.
Keep hitting it, keep hitting it. Would have expected better for hitting a persistent, but Oh. Okay. Decent one. 2x. Oh, draw me another premium. Dead. Still no persistence straight off the bat here. It says buy number 6. Something more than a 1x would be nice. Keep dropping. It's going to die. No, saves. Unlocker. Do something with it. And then another juicy premium coming in. Corner payer. Next course. Save it. Okay, saved.
More.
A lot more around here. Come on. Save it. No. Okay. It's under half back on that one. These are not going well at the minute.
Next one to turn it around though, mate.
That'd be nice. Right. Shit collector. Okay. Real. Stop teasing that and just drop a nice premium. Dead.
Why open the reel just to do that?
It'd be nice to see a 100x win at least. We've got 1 to an 8. Oh. Yes, landed okay. 10x. Fucking 1. Okay, give me a big one here. Fucking 1. Okay. Open this reel up. And now 2 symbols here.
Come on.
Come on, save it. Save it so I can at least make profit on one. I don't think so.
Wow.
Buy number 9. See what happens. Might start speeding through a couple of these. They're taking a bit long. Okay, collector, great. Okay. Okay. Necro. Persistent Necro.
One.
Hit the collector. That's it. Come on, save this. Profit, save it. Save it. Motherfucker. Okay. Do another again. Once more, once more. Okay, our first profit, boy. Let's buy number 10. Speed through these. Let's sniper payer. Thought that might happen. Right, boys, if you are enjoying these videos, the content, drop us a like, drop us a comment below, and anything you want me to do a video on, I shall make it happen for you. Right, let's go. Number 11. It's a little save. Now, give me a necro. It's dead. Oh, are you serious? Come on, stop teasing!
Wow.
Okay, straight off the bat. Save it. Necro must stand there as well. Okay, 10x. What else have we got here? Unlocker. Drop us something. Let's do that. Right, this could be good. Payer, maybe sniper. Collector. Payer.
Payer, come on.
Nah. What is that? Fucking. Alright, payer on the 4x. No, sniper. Sniper's not too bad. We'll take a sniper. Alright, hit the collector. Not that one. Okay. Hit it again. Sniper. Hit this decent collector, thank you. Keep hitting it. And again. Persistent collector would have been pucker right about now.
Oh.
Alright, boys. That's another profit, boy. Is that 2 out of 15, I think? Or 15 bars, 13 bars we've done.
Something like that, yeah. No, I've not been counting, to be honest.
Okay, let's buy another 14. 1x's across the board. Speed through this. Unlocker. $10x. Okay, now we're a lot more. Gives a premium. Another 10x. Come on, drop us a premium.
Come on.
Save it. You Motherfucker. Right. Buy number 15. See if it's lucky. Still not bought it with a persistent straight off the bat either. Sniper, 5x. Speed through these. Premium anywhere, locker. Dead. Okay. These are not going too well at all.
No, it's been a bit rough.
Come on, give us something decent. Save it. Selector. A corner one shit. Give us some persistence. Okay. Okay, save it at least. Keep it going. Yeah, no, I didn't think so. Motherfucker.
You unlock another reel.
Need to. Go. Save it.
Come on.
Right. Buy number 20. See what we can do. Speed through this. Wow. These are not going great at all. Okay, PAYER. Open the reel, get that sniper. Okay. Hit the 10 again. Big one. 1x, of course. Dead. No saves. Okay, another reel open. Come on, drop another premium. What you got for us? Alright, just kill me. Save it. Nah, of course you don't. These are brutal. Save it. Just don't. Done. Give us a decent one. Okay, persistent collector.
Oh, come on.
Come on, save it. Save it. Motherfucker. Wow. Only just profit. What shit profit it was. Buy number 25. One X's. Give us a. Come on. Oh, persistent shapeshifter. Okay. Get a collector. Come on, save it. Save it, you motherfucker. What's the point in that? Fucking 52x of that.
Bullshit, man.
Uh, 10x, 3x. Okay, next row. I mean, this ain't gonna be great. Let's speed through this. Every time a couple of decent premiums land, kills off straight away. So it's shit. Didn't think I was going to hit that collector payer down there. I bet might not have been great, but. $10x, come on. I'm stealing, okay. 2 10x's as well. Bit of payers on those would be alright. Oh, it's a shitty collector. Wow, 1. Just gonna kill me straight away? Yeah. Okay. What you got for us? Collector. Keep going. Stealer? Right. Fuck. What is that? Fucking shit collectors. I hate them. Get some global collector would be decent, but that shit. Save it. What's the guy? Alright guys, this is a buy number 30. Can we get a persistent star? Evidently not.
They were rolling in the other day.
Oh. Collector payer. Not worth a lot. Save it. Wow. Alright, that's 30 buys. To end the video, boys, I'm just going to buy a persistent. See what we get. Collector payer. Okay. Please don't be both 1x's. And save it at least once. I'll be happy. Treat us. What we got? A 2 and a 3.
Save it one time, come on.
Just need one save. Give us that save.
Come on.
Save it. Motherfucker. 1200x. I'll take it. Right boys, that's it for today's video. It's not been the best. Lucky that collector pay at the end saved it a little bit, but that's what gambling is about. At the end of the day, you will win, you will lose, mainly lose all the time. But yeah, thanks for tuning in guys. If you're enjoying it, drop us a like, drop us a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.